Sonia Gandhi, a member of the Rajya Sabha, was admitted to Sir Ganga Ram Hospital on Tuesday night after reportedly experiencing respiratory issues. Due to this, the leader of the opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, who was scheduled to attend the United Democratic Front rally at Kozhikode Beach on Wednesday evening, may not be able to attend the event. AICC President Mallikarjun Kharge will attend the rally instead, and Sachin Pilot, member of the Legislative Assembly of Rajasthan, is likely to accompany him. Rahul Gandhi was scheduled to inaugurate the rally and launch the United Democratic Front's campaign for the Kerala Assembly Elections 2026, which are scheduled for April 9th. He was also expected to announce 5 guarantees promised by the Indian National Congress if the front comes to power. Local Congress leaders had arranged a bus for Rahul Gandhi to travel around the city and interact with people from various walks of life, including K.K. Harishina, an alleged victim in the medical negligence case at the Government Medical College Hospital. According to sources, senior leaders from the Indian National Congress and the Indian Union Muslim League are also expected to attend the rally.